let's go. We got some Pokemon cards. Buy this on shop. That thing explode. First one. What? Bro. Oh. Whoa. Kinda cool, but useless. The next one is... Oh. Whoop. What is that? What about this one? Oh. That's good.
Very naisip siya. Kasi sa college po namin, sa College of Media and Communication. Shout out!
Bro, this one sucks, bro. Ooh, something green.
Dito sa college niya. So, feeling na pag may lalaking lumalapit sa kanya, ina-assume niya agad
What?
ay same college. Ina-assume
This guy's weak. That was the last one. But we still have a box. So, let's go open it, bro. I didn't learn how to open it, bro. Ah! Ow, my teeth. I just got cancer, bro. My teeth got covered. Just got to the dentist. I was brave, bro. The first one is this guy. What? What? A bike. This one is 100, bro. That sucks. 60. Nah. This sucks. 90. Again.
Shout out sa mga bakla dyan sa UP.
Ooh.
Hindi po. Member po ko ng UP. Member po kami ng UP sa math.
I got the weird one. Let's put it right here, bro. I got the weird one. Ah! Ow. Ow. Hey guys, what did you got? A Charizard? Oh, what a lucky this, bro.